Now that I have well over 1 subscriber on my channel, I'm going to make microwave meringues. What you will need is 2 cups of powdered sugar and 1 egg white. We're going to take the egg white and we're going to add it to our powdered sugar. And now we're going to mix this together until it forms into a ball. And once your powdered sugar and your egg white comes together like that, you want to empty it out onto some parchment paper or a cutting board or your counter. And make sure your hands are washed. And we're going to knead this until it comes together into a nice smooth ball, just like this. And you can tell it's done because it gets shiny all over. Now we're going to take a cookie scoop and we're going to scoop out little balls of our dough. You're going to take your hand, your clean hands, and you're going to roll them up into a ball, just like that. Now you want to take a plate, some parchment paper, and place them on the plate. Make sure they're spaced out because they will spread out. Now we're going to place these in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. These are still a little warm, but as you can see, they are perfect. And I'm going to try and break. Ooh, ah! And look at that. We have 3 giant meringue cookies. For my next batch, I am going to make colored meringues. I have gel food coloring here. I'm going to place a little, we'll do a line here. What do you think? Looks like a red cactus. This one, let's just do some green dots. Blue, a little bit of yellow in the middle. Let's see what that turns out to be like. All right, so we have our 3 designs. These turned out beautiful. And voila, we have microwavable meringues. How easy was that? Instead of waiting 14 hours for them to cook in the oven at 150 degrees. Whoops. Have fun. Bye.